Gates open, they're up and racing. One slow out, luck to win. Core Duo draws for your lead. Panamera moving up by the rail to take second. Executive Order racing in third and followed now by entry number 2. And this one is Dugo's favorite, the second favorite. Then followed by Winning Habit. Followed now by Luck to Win by the rail Sabor de Champagne. While Swab Tiger is running in behind them. Past the last 800, three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Now we have Core Duo from the outside, Panamera running by the rail. Then here comes Dugo's favorite moving up in third, running by the rail fourth, Executive Order, Winning Habit, still in third, Luck to Win. As they rounded the last 450, Core Duo still leading the field. Panamera by the rail sneaking in Executive Order and moving up on the outside is Dugo's favorite Winning Habit. And down the stretch they come. Core Duo running by the rail Executive Order. Panamera, Dugo's favorite is on the outside. But Core Duo leading the field by about 3 lengths now. Moving up to take second on the outside, Luck to Win. And finally, Core Duo, Luck to Win. Dugo's favorite, Panamera Executive Order for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 75246.